Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Guess what, it's 2025. If you still don't know how to tie a tie by now, guess what, you're at the right place. Don't forget to subscribe for more tie videos. Today I'm going to show you how to tie the Prince Albert knot. Let me dive right into it right here. So I now see that I picked a horrible tie for this to actually show what it's all about. But we have one tier here. You can sort of see where my fingers enter the knot itself. There's two loops here, and they sort of jump onto each other, and it forms a little fancier four-in-hand knot. It's pretty much that with an extra loop. Again, something different. Could always wear it from time to time. I think it's pretty cool, but I'll show you how to tie that right now. All right, so I got the bigger end on my right shoulder, smaller end on my left. Because this has an extra loop in it, what I ended up doing is I just brought my smaller end up a little bit to sort of compensate for the extra loop to ensure that the tie somewhat rests near my belt line. So if you know the four-in-hand knot, it's very simple. Guess what? We're doing the exact same steps. We're going to take the bigger end, cross over the smaller end. We're going to go underneath. And then this is a four-in-hand knot right here. So I like to put my finger right here as a guide. I go around once, and then again, there's a second loop here for the Prince Albert. So I'm going to bring it underneath and go around again. And again, same steps as four-in-hand knot. So I'm taking the bigger end now, and I'm going to go up my neck right here. So I'm just going to bring it right at the back. You see how I still got my finger right here? Again, we're going to finish by going down that spot where my finger is right here. So I'm just going to take my finger out and then feed the bigger end right down there. Again, same steps, sort of tighten it up. I'm going to pull down on the smaller end while pushing up on the bigger end itself, right to the top. And again, this is sort of where you can play around with it because there's two tiers here. You can sort of just move them up so you actually see both sides. And look at that. Another knot to your arsenal, especially if you just go by the four-in-hand knot. Well, guess what? You can now do another knot, the Prince Albert knot. Again, it's just one more loop. Pretty simple like that. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more tie knots. We'll see you next time. Thanks.